These 22s on the back. To the T. That's why this motherfucker's bouncing like that. This dip before dip, cuz.
Can't hear it, can't drive it, can't buy it. Let's go. What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. Y'all tuned back in with them Jennings boys, man. And we back with another video for y'all, man. Make sure y'all stop what y'all doing, go subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Let's keep running these numbers on up, man. As y'all can see, man, it's Manheim Monday again today, man. And today we riding big boy presidential, man. We in the big S560, man, Benz 2019, man. This motherfucker riding real smooth, man. But yeah, we up here, it's Manheim Monday, man. We looking for cars to whip, looking for cars to flip, and looking for cars to review, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. We got a lot of cars up here today to go through, man. And it's hot as hell, so we're gonna try to get in here and get up out of here before we pass out. Stay tuned.
What you see in this big presidential look?
Hold on, let me figure it out first.
The glass thing got dark, cuz.
Told y'all we riding presidential, man. They got a button. The glass can change from light, from dark to light. Dark to light. Man, that's why you always gotta have that roof, man. You gotta have options, man. I always have all the options, man. This shit crazy.
This don't got the spinning wheel though. That's more clean, y'all. I'm gonna tell cousin them to go pick this one up. Cousin gonna pick this up. This thing clean though. Gotta be. These 22s on the back. Can you get in it? I don't know if you can. Shit, we got anything in there. Porsche bottles. Air in there. Yeah, he want this one. Oh, this thing hot. It's clean though.
One strap.
What that man? What that man? I didn't know if you wanted to get in there or not. It's clean. You said minor damage. Man, don't do that. Hey, if you gonna buy it, but let me know, bro.
What's that? It's a tow truck thing. That's one of them tow truck things where you just pull up and snatch the car. Why it ain't got a sticker on it? Duramax. Denali. Big grill.
Big grill too?
Big grill. Duramax. Denali.
Somebody want to look into. You know, they want about 80 for it.
This one got a thing on it. I don't know how to work that shit, but it's got the little tow package on it.
Don't fuck around twisting. Nah, that motherfucker will be like, yeah.
We gotta drive this.
You said what? You want some dog?
Say retail. 82 down.
Hey, I was on the money though. Said they probably want 80 for it.
I need them wheels up there. That we might make that happen. That's a free set of wheels if I work my hand. You feel me?
Quick flip, huh?
Ain't even really a quick flip. It's a quick finesse.
Quick finesse.
That Charger. Why you want that motherfucker?
They go that C thing again.
What's that?
The C-Class, the AMG.
I Oh, that first car we drove last time?
Yeah.
That GT?
But it's a 53, not the 56. Oh, it's nice though. God damn. Oh, shit. Oh, God damn. But I made it to the Trizzy.
See what she can do.
Feel good up this one. The air done start to kick in.
Come on.
Get it.
Somebody got rolled it. We got 26,000 on there.
6,000 already. They patched the track. Patched it up a little bit. So it feel a little smoother. It's a still good. I don't know about 80,000, but
I'll pay 80 for it. If I pay 80, I need a brand new one.
exactly.
Damn, this motherfucker ain't got no
Turn
turn.
radius. Oh, this bitch. Body.
That's crazy. It even showed a little toe thing on it. I think that's why I was making it feel bouncy. Heavy ass.
It's probably heavy as hell too on the back of that mother. Yeah. We got a lock in here?
Got that same thing, yeah. That motherfucker's still there.
Damn.
Hey.
So, yeah, this motherfucker alright.
I give it a 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10, I give it an 8 too.
8 out of 10. I thought the screen should be bigger. Now they should be bigger.
Yeah, that was screen.
God damn, this motherfucker bumpy.
We gotta show that engine too. They get mad at us, you know.
Duramax.
Gotta show the engine, man. They get mad at us and shit.
We'll show y'all the engine, man. Stay tuned, man. We're gonna show y'all that big Duramax 6.6. That Allison transmission.
This mother, let's see what's under it.
That big 6.6 Duramax. See, that's some extra shit right there.
That's like, that probably be part of the back, you would think.
Yeah,
Part of the
that's
top.
thing. We need something like this to
What?
pull our cars with.
Definitely.
Go to these car shows, buy cars, sell cars.
All of that.
Like I just found that old school. It's all the way. I found a 71 Vert. It's all the way in South Carolina, 9 hours. I want to go get it, but I ain't even got shit to pull it with.
That's what I'm saying. That
Big
grill
baby.
crazy, man. That
Baby,
grill
it come
crazy.
in handy.
For real. I'll see it, y'all.
This had to have some feet on it too, though.
Had to.
Let me pick out the fifth wheel.
See, I got that. There's some dog back there, man. I don't know what that is.
I don't know what the fuck that is either.
I'm curious also. Curious also.
Somebody worked this motherfucker though.
The T, you hear me? Ain't this the one with the step on it? Go ahead and mess with the features, man.
Yeah.
Let's see what it is. Oh, it do move. Oh, straight up. To the T.
That's why this motherfucker bouncing like that.
This thing heavy, bro. That thing look heavy, bro.
That's exactly why it's bouncing
What we got? I like this color too. To be honest with you, I like the rims on this thing. They gonna want like 60 for it though. How much you wanna bet? I think they gonna want like 60 for it. What year is it? 18 or 40,000? I don't know. I still say 60. Definitely.
Okay, let's drive this one.
And they got race wheels on this thing too. I think it sounds good. Go ahead and start it up. I'm gonna get the pipes. He ain't started up yet. The battery might be dead. Uh-oh. Is that a green or is that a... What happened? He trying to get that one started up. What happened, cuz? What's going on?
Same whole remote control the steering wheel.
Damn.
Some weird shit.
Some Beamer shit. Now they gonna be paying for air conditioning in this motherfucker too.
I don't think this key work.
That might not be the right key. Little do they know.
Told y'all these Beamers jump. I give it a 2 out of 10. Look good. That's about it.
1.5 for me.
Yeah,
but
next car. I think it's that same one from last week, ain't it?
I think it is too.
Nobody buy it. It's still here, but that's a bad sign.
Yeah, somebody must have seen potential in it, but didn't get it.
I think this was the raggedy one.
Well, we gonna know real quick when
I didn't even look at it no more, remember? Cool on this raggedy motherfucker.
So, what you getting it? What you giving it?
A 1.
Oh, 1? Alright.
That's that same truck.
Same one.
Thing in the bed. 2008.
Boom, we back. Man, I thought the doors was locked in this motherfucker.
Work truck right here.
Ooh. And they got all 4 doors in this thing.
The only thing fucked up is this tailgate. Somebody hit the fuck out of something.
Then the motherfucker smiling.
Hey, it still works.
Motherfucker smiling.
Something, they hit that motherfucker and said,
Boom! Already
or
seen.
now they probably had it down and backed into something. That's what happened.
Yeah, exactly what happened. He got that motherfucker smiling. Feel good in here though.
He just to the seat at.
Let me start this motherfucker. This gonna tell us everything we need to know. Damn. Second truck that don't start.
Can't hear it, can't drive it, can't buy it. Let's go.
Whoa. Out of 10? 1?
Hey,
What?
this and that last one get no score. No score.
No score. Back at
I
it.
usually don't like this color, but it look alright on this Bronco. You see that black one I sent you with them wheels on it?
Oh yeah, that mode was sitting up nice. That mode was sitting up nuzzy. Nuzzy.
Iron Man.
The Iron Man special.
What?
Got a spare in the back and everything.
Some muffler back there. You got an aftermarket exhaust on it?
What's well, I mean, you won't really know until you turn it on, my boy. It's mud nasty though. Ain't no reason for this one. Yeah, it got an
aftermarket exhaust.
Yeah.
That's the factory exhaust back there.
Yeah, it sounds good. I mean, a good Jeep for real.
Since I seen that one on that with them wheels on it, man, I don't know. I'll ride one of these with the wheels.
For real. It's nasty though. Got a spare on the back. This the next thing up.
Damn.
What I done did this motherfucker?
I was about to say this motherfucker would be perfect till I seen all this.
Oh boy. Nigga done flip this bit. Cause it's slow. Ain't no reason. Damn, I hope they alright, bro. This is bad. She's so weak.
Sticker on the back.
I don't see no sticker. It's from Utah. Utah, Salt Lake City. Alright.
Red on red.
Red on red.
It's an 87. What's this, a C4?
I couldn't tell.
C3?
I wouldn't even tell you. I can't tell you. I'm gonna be honest with you. And it's a stick. It smell like old nigga in there.
This bitch been sitting. It's been in the garage somewhere. This motherfucker stinks.
It smell like old nigga.
I ain't the key was gonna be in here. Key in this motherfucker.
Let's hear it. At least got on for us. Let's see.
Dead, it sound like.
It don't even, ding ding. It don't even give you a ding ding.
Dinging.
There we go.
Oh shit.
And that dash looks sweet. Dash looks sweet. I don't know if y'all can see that dash. I'll get in this old mother. You wanna do a test in this?
I don't want to touch this old
We gonna get stuck.
stuck somewhere. This bitch. Oh.
Old nigga special.
Hey, this was probably that shit back in the day with these red guts. Nigga, this all red.
Red on red. This dip before dip, my boy. Do you get this dip before dip, cuz.
Dip before dip.
Dip before. Damn, I can't get that infotainment because it's too dark.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh man.
How many miles this motherfucker got?
I don't even know.
19,000. Nah, it's got 119,000.
Jeez, oh
though. What you expect?
Yeah.
It's hot this motherfucker.
That motherfucker red on red. And they got the spot. Look, they got all the fuses right there.
I don't even know how to pop the hood on this bitch.
It's ancient. You got it.
I think so. I don't even like fucking with it.
That's a convertible too. You ain't peeped the convertible. It's a vert. Damn.
Yeah, that middle section over there, that's that buy at your own risk section over there. Buy at your own risk. Everything in that motherfucking middle row be jump, wrecked, fucked up, don't start. They all be red lights.
Damn.
9 times out of 10, if it's a red light, that means motherfucking there's something wrong with it. It's red light. Once you buy it, ain't no bringing it back. Yours, as is. Service truck. I wonder what motor this got in. It's gotta have a 5.3 in it.
Man, it's not bad.
This is what we need right here. And it's 4x4.
4x4.
And it matched the other truck.
Brothers. What you call that? Ain't that what you call that? Brotherly love.
All the other ones was no-goes.
That's what I'm saying. This one nice though.
No, but the other ones was gonna go for cheaper. This one was 15. This bitch gonna be a couple dollars.
Definitely.
This shit might be out of my little budget.
He moving in that
It's a
motherfucker.
little rough around the edges too. I give it like a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
That's just with the cosmetic stuff.
Mm-hmm.
6 out of 10.
I ain't know. I'll give it a 7, bro. Roll pretty smooth for me, man. Y'all.
What motor this guy?
Definitely.
Gotta be the 5.3 though. I feel like a 5.3.
Could be a 5.3.
I doubt it's that 4.8 or that 4.3.
Nah, this punch from nigga. This put me in my seat.
I don't know about all that now.
I mean, like when you did that little, I had my head back there like this. You know what I'm saying? Stationary.
We're gonna see if we can get this one, y'all, man. Stay tuned.
That is good.
Like a 5.3.
5.3? I think it's a 5.3. Well, cat, I don't know if it's somewhere.
Oh, this might be that rear motor.
They don't tell you on here? It should tell you on that door if you can't find it. I can go over there. That's a no-no zone, my boy. Yeah, that was over there. That's the turbo joint too. I think so. It had RS on it. It says something on there. I think it's a GT though. I don't know if it's a GTS or old body. Oh, this one. Oh, that's nice. I want to see what this is. Bring it back, D. Go, DJ. Bring it back, DJ. Definitely. Hey, this a snatch. Believe it or not.
Definitely a snatch. And the 4x4 work too. Let's see what that motherfucker. Oh, that's a 17. Damn.
I know because the infotainment look a little bit more newer than the
It's
other
a
one.
5.3.
5.3.
And it's from Texas.
Ain't that bad.
Only thing missing, only thing I ain't got is a backup camera. Yeah, this lack right here, people. Down.
He said the lack.
Lack should be in that middle section over there.
This was, oh man. Oh man.
How
They
much you
done
wanna bet this motherfucker from Michigan?
Michigan, you
Or
think?
New York? New York or Michigan?
I'm going New York.
You go to New York?
I'm gonna go with New York on this one.
Damn.
What you think?
Illinois.
Illinois? That's still bad.
Probably from Chicago.
Real. Yeah, it got some dents. Oh, hold on. The infotainment crack good. I ain't see all that. Damn.
Let's see what else we can find, y'all.
Look what we got here. We got a what?
RS5.
RS5.
Still got the big face and it's only a 14.
14. Big body coupe. Convertible. Having fun in this thing. You can unlock the doors when you can.
Got you, dog.
This thing's sweet, man. I ain't even gonna hold y'all, man. I'm not saying I'm an Audi nigga, but damn, I would get one of these motherfuckers. How many miles?
Oh shit, the entertainment on this ain't that bad.
It's like the new one.
See y'all. 2014. Let's say the retail is 42,000.
My bad.
42,000 on the retail. Turn off engine before leaving car. Why is it beeping like that? These be raggedy too. These ain't no better than them Beamers, cuz.
It really ain't, but
These motherfuckers be raggedy. I know that A8 over there raggedy as fuck. Them motherfuckers nightmares. This bitch beeping, I don't even want to drive.
that beep, that death beep, that death beep.
That's what it snow like, boy. I better not.
Y'all better not.
I bet not.
Clean though, but better not.
Right here look better. Only thing I like the soft top better than the hard top. It's that wild track.
So this the big boy one. Sasquatch. This big. This big as hell.
Potential spam. This phone stay ringing, boy.
Alright. Oh, got the little. Let me catch it. Let me catch it. Let me catch it, y'all. Huh. Oh, you did show them last time. Gotta catch the horses when they on here. Mud wheels on there.
Put some 35s on this motherfucker. I might even put some 40s on here.
Fuck the city up, huh?
Game up.
It smells clean though. Clean as hell.
Got this.
What?
We got this gray right here. I don't like the gray, but I like the soft top.
Soft top. It's big too, bro. It's big. I like the Sasquatch though.
Black Diamond.
Black
0.7 Eco. That's the only thing I don't like is the little ass motors.
They got a little baby in there. A little baby in there.
I know they gotta have one with a big boy motor.
Definitely do. I'm pretty sure. I think that Sasquatch one would be the one with the big motor in.
Right here looks good too.
Oh, this AT4.
This bitch sitting up. Lifted for sure.
Definitely.
The wheels.
Get the wheels on there. Fucking them up, huh?
I'll ride this today.
Yeah, you better look into it. I want you to get one of these. Fucking city up.
TRX truck. That's the same one that's always here, that blue one.
Yeah.
We done drove that motherfucker 9 times. We're looking for an RT. We got a clean RT right here, leather. Damn, it ain't got no roof.
Damn.
No roof. What year is it?
Let's see. Let's see. What year is it, eh? Got that little shit back there. Ain't nothing special.
2020. 58,000 miles.
That ain't bad at all. That ain't bad.
Let's see what the retail on this motherfucker is.
Want some retailers dog.
Let's see what the estimated retail is. Estimated, because all this shit estimated with this market. 40,000. Let's see what it go for.
Go for 40.
Now here go the service truck we need right here.
Right here, that's that special T. The capital T.
No baby, no baby. Hey.
Scan that thing in, Al.
I can really go on fucking life.
It's got the new infotainment in it. Big new infotainment.
30,000. Go ahead, get up out of here.
Oh shit. Damn.
I don't know work truck that I ain't even gonna be driving.
Alright.
No sir. Let's see what else we got, man. Wonder what this Escalade, what kind of interior Escalade you got? Tahoe, what color? Nah, it ain't got that crazy color, man. That crazy color.
Don't get that crazy
That
color.
Lexus over there, eyes?
That's an IS. Hold on. Let me see this first. Plain Jane.
This ain't even got no sticker on. This might not even be for sale. Oh yeah, it is. It's just been up here a few weeks. 2021, 12,000 miles, man. Let's see what it go for. This motherfucker ringing now. Let's see what the estimated retail is. 107,000.
Ooh-wee.
I'll let y'all know what it go for if it's sell. Probably ain't gonna sell though.
Big grill though.
Probably be a no sale.
That big grill though. Alright.
Oh, this your car, but the new body ain't.
It's the new. It's a 350 or 250. Gonna see real quick what it is. It got the little spoiler on the back too.
They got the red Giddies though.
350.
He said, I don't give a fuck. I'm still trading my shit out for this. Boy.
Shit, hell yeah, got the F Sport everywhere on this one. F Sport, goddamn.
50, this bitch hard. It's coming next.
F Sport?
Ride your 254 man and trade in for one of these.
I'm getting a V8, cuz.
We gonna find out what they going for. That way we know how much money you gonna need when you ready to
Go ahead and
trade your shit in, cuz.
All right, let's see. How much you want to say is like 45? 45, 50.
50.
Ooh, I told you. One owner.
57,000 miles. I ain't gonna lie though, I like that blue on it. This one the one right here.
That Bronco?
Right here.
That Bronco?
Honestly though, I like it better in the black.
That all black?
I like the 2 doors too though.
2 doors better than the 4 door?
I like the 2 door better because it's like more stocky.
This the big boy one too. This the Sasquatch.
Is that the biggest one?
I'm guessing. It makes sense.
I like the black, so I take a black one like that with the 2 doors.
Man, fuck they ass up this mouth. Hey, cuz. You don't want to drive one of these, or you cool?
2022.
I ain't never been in one of these before.
One of these? You want to take it on a spin?
Want to?
Oh, look at that scat pack.
Oh, never mind, bro. Hold on.
What was that? A 2022, 2,000 miles. I'll let y'all know what it goes for. Right. 2021, 2 door. 1,000 miles. Only got 800 miles.
This one got 37, and this is 2022. Look at the wheels on this thing.
Wheels on it already.
Already made.
American Forge.
I don't even know. I'm not hip.
American Racing.
Huh. Yeah, that's up, cuz.
Scat pack.
Scat packy. Sound good too. Look, got Scat pack right there, y'all.
It's a female car.
Female? Oh, I can see about the dazzle. Good. They got
all this extra little shit with the dazzle. Scat pack. You already know we gonna push this. You already know we gonna push this.
How much you think they gonna have it for? This looking like a 45. They still got 37. 37. Oh shit, cuz. God damn.
Snatches.
Snatches for real.
Grabs. Look all this grabs. Hellcat snatches.
Snatches.
Hellcat snatches, boy. How your ass snatch back in the seat?
For real.
I can really, I know. I need to pull the auto.
Oh, they put it in the no-no zone, boy. They got it in the no-no zone.
I just had it though, so I ain't going far until I find my shit.
That's why you
wait till we get halfway up the highway, like, man, where my phone at? Told you. Told this fool, don't be wearing no hoochie daddy shorts on Mondays, man.
Hey, man,
oh, man, on Monday, man. Look at him, y'all. He got the hoochie daddy shorts on. Everything falling out his pockets.
Hey, man, I gotta keep my
nigga
phone
losing everything. Nips all out and shit.
For real. Having fun. Feeling good.
I be feeling good. This motherfucking AC, come on. The fuck? There you go.
I'm putting that max AC right there, my boy. There you go, my boy. Oh, this is the truth. Oh.
We're gonna show y'all what this can do on the track, man. Stay tuned. First off, let's put our seatbelts on.
We're gonna fuck around, fly through the window shield, man.
Never put our seatbelts on. No off the brakes, so we're going straight through this windshield at that motherfucking concrete barrier down there. Alright, track mode.
Don't be like us, y'all.
Everything in track mode, man. Make sure you show them what's going on once we get this motherfucker pulling, man.
Alright, I got you, my boy.
392 Scat Pack, man. Regular body. Let's see what she can do, man. Oh, y'all almost hit that triple digit. Almost. We could have hit it, but
who would have hit them yellow things down there?
I don't be playing too much with this concrete barrier right here. These little barrels with this water in here ain't gonna do shit.
They ain't gonna slow us down there. Oh, nigga, we gonna be through that windshield like we said without the seatbelt.
Yeah, this definitely ain't that Hellcat. Oh,
definitely got snatches.
This one grabs slow for some reason though. I swear I done drove a 32 that was faster than this before.
Right, cause them tires you got on that other one. You feel me? You think so? Or if I had been broke in,
I just been driving that cat too much. That's how I would do it.
Yeah, so this only got what? So less miles. Look at the low miles on this thing.
I ain't gonna lie. I mean, clean wise,
definitely.
If somebody was looking for a 392, I give it a 10 out of 10 because it's good shape.
Yeah, it's in good shape. I give it a 9.5.
I give it a 10. It's in good shape. I ain't seen. I give it a 9. They ain't got no roof.
Yep.
So yeah, I give it a 9, y'all.
Yeah.
What I say it was.
He says a 392.
How many miles? This one had no miles on it.
It had like 3,700.
Okay. y'all know what this one go for, man.
So 2022, my boy, you can see it.
Yeah, 22, yup. 3,700 miles. I can see it right here on the fucking dash. Goofy.
You like that?
Yeah, stay tuned, y'all. I'll let y'all know what this one go for. Man, we gotta do this just to see where the future going. You feel me? We need to see where the future going. Is this where the future going?
Electric.
These wheels ugly. Look.
I wouldn't have.
I ain't gonna lie. It look futuristic.
Yeah, it look different.
It look better than them Teslas. I ain't gonna lie.
It might go faster than that Tesla. Not the Roadster, but I ain't gonna say Roadster.
Copy the doors. What doors got this?
Give me a second. Lambo.
Put the Lamborghini handles on here.
Yeah. It's on. Oh, copyright. Oh.
See working? How you put this bitch in reverse, Terry?
That's a good ass question. I'm pretty sure that's it right there. This thing's sweet though. It feel like an electric car though. It straight up gave me electrical vibe. Oh, my brother already got he said he got a CLS 550. What have you?
Oh, I seen that one at the in Miami. Electrical. Damn, I don't even got the hoochie daddies on. My shit falling out.
Real.
Where the battery at? Let's show y'all something.
204 on there.
204 miles. Got 72% of battery left. It's hot as fuck. 90 degrees. Yeah, you know the rest.
Infotainment go crazy. Big screen.
They want one of these. I'm gonna scan it.
I don't know.
I have to go back and scan it.
I just know it's charging my phone.
Ain't got no roof. We need like one of them glass house roofs.
Like the Tesla had.
I ain't gonna lie.
This one pretty smooth, ain't it? I ain't bad at all.
I ain't want to pay for gas, bro.
I ain't mad at it. It feels smooth as hell. Seat go all the way back. You know I'm leaning.
Yeah, I'm there feel smoother than that Tesla too.
Yeah.
It feel a little less luggy. That Tesla, as soon as it's off the gas, it's like you just straight lug back. You ain't even got to use the brakes on that motherfucker.
Oh, you got to use your brakes on this one?
Oh shit, we got drive modes, sport.
Oh, cuz they got a sport and turn everything red in this one. I bet you this mother looks good.
On, cuz you over there blinking.
Oh, my bad. Don't be like me, people.
Turn this down so y'all can hear it. I know y'all can hear it loud. It's wind, but it's hot. See what she can do, y'all.
Okay. That put me in my seat like we moving.
80. 90.
Oh.
Take off.
Damn.
We almost took off the runway. It's a baby plane right here. It's one of them little Duval planes right here.
Duval planes.
Yeah, get you where you need to be.
Okay.
At a good price.
At a good price.
This bitch rides smooth though.
Smooth as hell. I like this one. It's smooth. Like if I had to get some electrical,
This motherfucker a glider.
Real.
Just need a roof, all glass roof.
I'm pretty sure you could probably get something like that too.
All glass roof. I ain't gonna lie.
What?
I give it a 7.
I give it an 8.5.
I give it an 8.
You give it an 8? I give it an 8.5, bro.
Question is, how long do it take to charge?
Yeah, I didn't think that.
And how long do the battery really last? You don't know that till you got this motherfucker for a weekend.
Like,
Let's go out right here.
Like
Hey,
that.
the
Turn.
on this bitch. And it punch.
It's sweet, but when you push the pedal, it goes into red over there. Then when you
This
push the brake,
motherfucker pull out on Big Hump right here.
He said pull out on Big Unk. Oh,
Big motherfucking dust.
And how you peep? Did you peep that the pedal thing is on your dash?
I ain't gonna lie down there. I think this kind of look better than, I don't know about that one, but the 3, little Y3, I think this one look better than that little small Tesla.
Definitely. Oh shit. Yeah, that's nice.
Shit, if you ain't want to pay for no gas,
Definitely something to get.
definitely something to get. I'll let y'all know what this one go for. It got it's gotta be a 22 or 23.
Definitely.
Let me see. It's 22.
22.
Kia EV6. You got 7,000 miles on it. I'll let y'all know what it go for.
Y'all don't know. 250 Super Duty. Boy, you know what time it is. Damn.
No score.
This the third one we've been in. Third one we've been in, cuz. I heard disappointed.
Black on black. I like this black TRX truck.
The TRX truck.
9,000 miles. You know these ain't going for market price. Let's see.
They going
I'm
about
curious to see on this one what the retail's estimated at and what it go for. This one, dude, all of them got them 3 lights in the front. You see them lights right there?
Nah, I think they all do. Pretty sure they do.
88,000.
That's probably retail though. I don't even think that's market. Like, you know what I'm saying? They probably go 20 over on your ass. Better have 90 to 100.
They got had all black leather, didn't they?
Yeah, this stuff was
This was like an exhaust on it too.
definitely do. That thing motherfuckers sound brutal.
This ain't got no gas in it. The range say low. Fuck around right now on this one.
That red though, that red looks
Can't even hear the whine on this one. This motherfucker got that loud ass exhaust on it.
sweet. What you think it? All right, guess what you think is on there though? What do you think, Borla or Corsa? I'm pretty sure it's one
It
of the
don't
two.
sound like boiler.
That sound like Corsa, don't it?
It sounds different.
That's Corsa. How much? That is Corsa.
You just got 2 options.
Oh no, it looks straight pipe.
Hey, that's what it sounds like too.
Straight pipe. That motherfucker sound brutal.
For some reason the sun ain't hitting right here where that cloud done came in.
But
I can breathe again. Alright, let's make our way to motherfucking row 17 at.
alright.
I don't know who pissed off the Incredible Hulk, boy, but god damn.
They done punched a hole in that nigga.
Oh, the tailgate. I still ride this bitch. It's a good work truck still. Maybe that'll make this motherfucker go for cheap. You know?
Hey,
Real.
for real. Getting Wizard. Think Dick Wizard can fix that Hawk punch?
Shit.
They got it there.
God, boy.
The seatbelt, cuz.
They got cuz. Dog. Picture me coming through in the 5.7 with the niche wheels. Got the niche wheels like you, cuz.
Big baller, you know what's up.
2016. Or say it's a 345, but I ain't convinced yet.
Turn that motherfucker on. That motherfucker is farting. Oh, it's farting, cuz. It's farting, cuz.
It ain't got no gas in it.
That motherfucker.
It's like somebody went to pull it out and it got stuck right here.
Cuz it's farting, cuz. You making the bitch fart. It sound loud as hell, though.
It definitely stopped on somebody right here, though.
Definitely, that's why it's curved off like this. You got some special pipes.
Bro, all the gas off this motherfucker.
Some special pipes off that one. Motherfucker farting, cuz. 124. How much you?
Minor damage 22.
Man, I ain't paying 22 for that, man. You already know, man.
They go for it. What you mean?
For minor damage?
It's minor. We need to get over to 17 over there.
1738, come on.